What should I'll dismiss the other two cases. What should I know before I sentence?
That situation went for a period of time there. Was trying to get, again, with lack of resources, trying to get out on flight, didn't fully, I think, understand what needed to be done that day. And, yeah, I don't think he had any ill intent, certainly wasn't trying to break the law.
The Sovereign Citizen.
Josh Hadley, hearing on behalf of my client, Mr. Harrison, can say your name correctly. Harrison. We have reached a resolution. It doesn't make except for a show cause, so we would ask the court to recall any warrants. We give an address issue. My client, these matters were from May, so he hasn't been with Selma since he found out about it.
We got you on Eileen. Is that a good address or not?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So it looks like we're going to take a plea on one charge, dismiss two. All right. Mr. Hardison, do you understand your rights and options after discussing same with Mr. Hadley?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for today's charge? Understanding all of that, are you in fact pleading guilty to one count? All right.
No contest.
No contest? Okay. So you understand when you say no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge. All right. So if I can find a factual basis, I'm going to sentence you just as if you'd pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. And are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Okay.
The basis of no contest, Your Honor, was lack of recall on the dates exactly what had happened on
Okay.
specifics.
The problem is I don't have an incident report and
I can tell you.
go ahead.
I believe it was on an 801 that I dedicated.
Yeah, May 18th incident.
Instead of May 14th incident date is what I'm showing, and I have the 818 case as an May 18th.
Yeah, May 18th. The 818 is the one I'm taking the plea on.
Okay. So I can make the factual.
Go ahead.
But no contest, Your Honor, we would stipulate to the facts that my client's 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙜 Harrison was at the Lee County Airport, one of their associated properties, on the date of May 18th, 2026, and he previously been told to not be at the property without a valid airline ticket for travel.
All right. I'm satisfied. What should I'll dismiss the other two cases. What should I know before I sentence?
That situation went for a period of time there. Was trying to get, again, with lack of resources, trying to get out on flight, didn't fully, I think, understand what needed to be done that day. And, yeah, I don't think he had any ill intent, certainly wasn't trying to break the law. Right now, financially, I think find some costs were the bigger concerns. Are you working? No. Okay, so he is working right now, but he's 19-year-old.
Yeah.
Kind of push past this.
Where are you working at?
Working on campus.
Say again.
Other campuses.
Okay. So that's not a real job. How much are you getting paid? All right. But it's over soon, right? Then what? I mean, make your $20 while you can, but then what?
And I did mention to him.
I'm still waiting.
Wait for it. Plan.
Yeah, what wasn't a rhetorical question. I want an answer. What's the plan long term? Okay, I was hoping for more specifics than that.
Yeah.
What have you done in the past? Okay, you got a driver's license? Okay. Is that just a money thing? I mean, you're not ineligible. You just got to get the money together to go to Secretary of State and do the whole thing. Okay. All right. You got transportation? You got somebody that's driving you around to get you to work and stuff like that?
He does have family here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, Dad. No, we're going to do something better than that. I don't want your money. Right. So here's what I want you to do, Dad. I got a guy in my building, Avery Taylor. He's downstairs behind the counter. I want you two to go down and talk to Avery. Avery's got a list of employers in our area looking for employees, something that's not temporary. Because this, when this election cycle is over, you're done, right? You're looking for work again. So let's have a job and lined up. So when the $20 an hour temporary thing runs out, you got somewhere to go. All right. Because I'm assuming the plan is get some cash in his pocket so he can go get his license so you can quit carting his butt around. Right. Okay. Right? That's the plan? Okay. All right. So I think we can help with that. All right. Okay. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you today? All right. So I'm putting you on a non-reporting 12-month probation. Stay out of the airport unless you got an airline ticket. I'm waving it like it's paper now on your phone now, but you know what I mean. All right. I'm not going to order any money right now because I don't want to take you $20 an hour because I want that money going to getting you on the road legally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to order you owe me some time. All right. So instead of fines and costs, I'm going to order that you do 25 hours community service. And I want that done by October 1. I'm being very generous, so don't ask me for more time. All right.
When he meets with maybe Avery have a list of places.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Dad, because you're with him, so I'm assuming you're going to help him get all this done. What that means is he's got to do 25 hours of charity work with a legitimate, registered with IRS nonprofit charity. We've got a list in our area. We'll give you a list of organizations. They're not all local. Some of them are downtown, but we got a list we'll give him today. He can find his own charity, but it's got to be legitimate or we won't approve it. He'll do 25 hours free labor for somebody and I'll say no. All right. And we'll pre-approve too. If you got a favorite place you want to go, you want us to pre-approve it, we'll do that too. Oh yeah. I've got a 𝘾𝙤𝙪𝙧𝙞𝙬 Drive address in Howell. Is that right? Okay. What do you got? Give me a new address.
173 College Street.
Oh, that was on the other files because I read Eileen. Eileen is on those ROAs. This one's got the bad address.
Yes.
Yep, that's a good one. Okay, we got a plan?
Yep.
Okay, good luck. Stay out of the airport.
We appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you, Dad.
Rebecca Davis.
The Sovereign Citizen.